Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for your time and presence today. Thank you special for our lecturer, Mr. Mara Untung, and to all of you, our fellow classmates. How are you doing today? If there's no answer, it's okay, no problem. We know about today is very hot. Yes, even though the weather is quite hot. Let's stay energized and enthusiastic. I would also like to take this moment to wish a happy Eid al-Adha to all Muslims who are celebrating. Before we start our presentations today, I will be introduce myself and my team. My name is Christina Maria as a moderator from Group 8. And my team, there are Apriani Sasmita, Lucia Gita Vanessa, and the last, Shahiba Nadine Yusuf. Today, we from Group 8 will be presenting a discussion about newsprint. And I will start by explaining the background. And the first is the background. The second is why understanding newsframe is important. And the last is purpose studying newsframing. Okay. Newsframing is a crucial concept in media studies that refers to how journalists select and emphasize certain aspect of reality to shape how the public understands events, rather than naturally reporting fact. Media construct meaning through a specific language, imagery, and narrative structure. Includes in influenced by political, cultural, and institutional context. Framing can guide public opinion, define issues, and support certain ideologies as information spreads rapidly through digital platforms. Understanding how news frames shape our perception become increasingly essential in today's media saturated world. And the second, why understanding news frame is important for everyone. News framing shapes how people perceive and interpret events. It is not natural. Media outlets highlight certain aspects while downplaying others to influence public opinion, often reflecting ideological or political interests. By understanding framing, individuals can critically assess news content recognized bias and make informed decisions in media saturated world. It is essential for promoting media literacy, democratic engagement, and resisting manipulation. Okay, the last purpose of studying news framing. The main goals of studying news framing there are to understand how media constructs meaning through language and visuals, to analyze the impact of framing on political discourse and public perception, to uncover hidden ideologies and power relations in news narrative. And then to uncover hidden, to foster critical media literacy and responsible news consumption, to prepare students and media practitioners to engage truthfully in the communication field. Just the background why understanding news frame is important and purpose news frames that I have covered without talking a long time. The first material explainer will be brought by Apriani Sasmita. Now it's time yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. Today I will talk about two related things. First, understanding the concept of news framing. News framing meant how the media saw and spread news. I do think by focusing on certain part or I story, like the problem, the cause, I moral message, or isolation, the help good people how people think and feel about the news. Framing is also spread by culture, politics, and institution. The things effort why is shown and how it's shown. Next, the linguistic and visual constitution of news framework. Framers are bullied using special word and picture. For example, using metaphors, certain times and images can help the audience understand the news in I certain way. Picture are powerful. When they are used with word, the creator are clear and strong messages. Okay, this is my explanation about news framing and how is Made using word and picture. Now I invite Lucia Gita to continue the next part.
Okay, first of all, I want to say thank you to Afriani, who explained the metric before. Now we move to another metric about news farming and its impact on political communication. So the means of the title is this metric explains that farming is how the media show the news to affect how people see about political issue. If the news talk about one person's story, or we can call it is episodic, people usually blame that person. But if the news talk about the bigger problem or cause, or we can call it is thematic, people understand more and want to change in rules or policies. And now we move to another slide. Afri. The another slide is talk about the critical discourse analysis, powers and ideology in news farming. Do you know, guys, about the meaning of the title? If you don't know, I will explain to you. So, this title uh, talk about the critical discourse analysis, or we can call it is CDA. Looks at how news can show and strengthen power and dominance idea. News often choose certain voice or opinions and ignores the others, shaping how people see about the world and social issue. So it's all about it's all about I can explain to you guys. Now we move to another metric or last metric for my friends Nadine. It's turn you now.
Okay, thank you for my friend Lucia Gita Vanessa. Here I will explain a little about our material entitled News Frame in the section on the dynamic and contextual nature of news framing. So the essence of the slide, the dynamic and contextual nature of news framing, is that news framing is not static. It evolves over time based on social context and how audience interpret media content. It's a dynamic, interactive process where meaning is co-created by both media producers and audience. And then the conclusion of the presentation emphasized that news framing plays a crucial role in shaping public opinion and media narratives. It involves both language and visuals and reflects broader power structures and ideologies. Understanding this process is vital for developing critical media literacy and active democratic engagement. So I have explained the last part of our material and I return it to moderator Christine. Thank you.
Okay, thank you to Nadine to explain the last material and conclusion. And thank you to all of you for listening to our presentation today. Hopefully the material we brought can be understood. As a moderator apologize if there is a misdelivery of. Thank you.